know how to work out this maths problem, so let's solve it within the shortest time possible. So solution, so if you know how to work it out, you can work it out, but don't use the calculator. So we have 9 to the power of a, then plus 1 is equals to 90. So that is the first step. So assuming that you have a to the power of m plus n, so these are now can be worked out as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So in this case now we shall now have 9 to the power of a, then multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 is equals to 90. So let's work it out. So 9 to the power of a is 9 to the power of a, then multiplied by, so 9 to the power of 1 is 9 is equals to 90. So the next step that you need to do, we divide both sides by 9, then also this side by 9. 9 by 9 shall cancel, so that 9 to the power of a is equals to, so now shall have 90 all over 9. So the next step now is for us, we shall now introduce the log on both sides. So here now that it means that now shall have the log of 9 to the power of a is equals to the log of 90 all over 9. So assuming that you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, so in this case now we shall write it as m, the log of p. So that's according to the law of logarithms. So here now we shall have a, the log of 9 is equals to, so we shall still have the log of 90, then all over 9, then into bracket. So the same law of logarithm says that when you have the log a, then all over the log of b, so these are now can be worked out as log a, then minus the log of b. So here now shall now have a log 9. So our a log 9 is equals to, so we now shall have the log of 90, then minus the log of 9. So in this case now, for us to remove log 9, we shall divide both sides by the log of 9, then all of this by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel each other, so that now the value for a is equals to, so the log of 90 minus the log of 9, then all over the log of 9. The value for a now shall be written as, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 9, so we shall now have log 90, then all over the log of 9, then minus log 9, all over the log of 9. So the value for a now is equals to, so log 90 can be written as the log of 9 multiplied by 10, then minus, so log 9 and log 9 shall cancel, then I shall have 1, then all over the log of 9. Then next now we shall say that a is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 9, then plus log 10, then all over the log of 9 minus 1. Then now we shall still divide both sides by the log of 9, so a is equals to, so now we shall have log 9, then all over the log of 9 plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 9, then minus 1. So the value for a is equals to, so log 9 and log 9 shall cancel, so here now shall have 1 plus, so here now shall have log 5, then all over the log of 9, then also plus the log of 2 all over the log of 9 minus 1. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now we can write is that the log of a to the base of b, so that now the final answer for the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus, then the log of 2 to the base of 9 minus 1. So this one now shall qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm if this answer is really correct. So our maths problem initially was 9 to the power of a plus 1 is equals to 90. So instead of writing a, we shall now rewrite the answer that we got to confirm it. So now we shall have 9 then to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9, then minus 1 there, then don't forget plus 1 is equals to 90. So we rewrite it by now having 9 to the power of 1, then the plus changes to multiplication, then 9 to the log of 5 to the base of 9, then the plus changes to multiplication, again 9 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 9, then minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so equals to 90. So here now 9 to the power of 1, now it becomes 9, then multiply by, so the log to the base of 9 cancel this 9, so now shall have 5, then multiply by the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so now shall have 2 is equals to 90. So 9 multiplied by 5 is 45, then 45 multiplied by 2 is 90. So now the result is 90 is equals to 90. So meaning that the response of the answers that we got was correct when we agreed and said that the value for a in this case for this answer is equals to 1, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9, then minus 1. So this one is the correct answer, and I believe that you've worked it out and you got this as the correct answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.